What's a cat do?
Meow.
What does a cow do?
Oh.
What does a bird do? What does an elephant do? Yay! What does a snake do? Good job. What does a crow do? What does a goat do? What does a rooster do? What else is there?
What does a wolf do?
What does a monkey do? What's a lizard do?
What does a lion do? Wow!
You're so smart. What does Daddy do?
Alyssa, where's your nose? Where's your eyes?
Oh, gentle. Where's your belly? It's way down there, huh? You can't find it.
Where's your ear? Where's your...
No, your
where's
ear.
Alyssa's ear? Where's Alyssa's ear? Yeah. Where's your hands? Where's your feet?
Oh, you can't see him. You're in your high chair. I see him.
Where's your mouth? Where's your tongue?
I know you have something on your tongue.
Where's your cheek?
Okay, can you say goodbye? Love you.